All right, step 2, we are going along setting up the campaign settings now, all right? So bidding is the next one up. So what do you want to focus on? For here, you really want to choose clicks if you're a brand new account with a brand new campaign. Now, this is very important, guys. You're going to want to set a maximum cost per click bid limit if you choose maximize clicks as the bidding strategy. Now, you might be wondering, well, I don't know what to set this limit at. Just set it as a placeholder right now. We can come back and edit it later after the campaign is made. So set it for like $5, right? Easiest way to do it. Customer acquisition, bid for new customers only. Your campaign will be limited to new customers regardless of your strategy. By default, your campaign bids equally for new and existing. I usually just leave this unchecked, okay? So leave it unchecked for now, hit next. Now, this is really, really important, guys, okay? This is the difference between a campaign that is going to pull leads and a campaign that is going to tank horribly. Networks. It automatically checks Google Search Partner Networks and Google Display Network. You want to make sure you uncheck both of these. And here's why. If you leave search partners, If you leave search partners checked, what's going to happen is you're going to get a lot of bad quality leads. A lot of people who do not speak English or who are looking for a job. There's no way around it. It's going to happen. It's just, I don't know what happened with the Search Partners Network. We used to run it all the time. We don't anymore. If you leave the Google Display Network checked, you're going to get a ton of clicks, a ton of traffic. It's all trash. People who turn into leads who, when you call them, they don't know who you are, what you're talking about. They'll tell you they never submitted anything. They'll be way out of your location. They won't be anywhere near what your target location is. So overall, these will make your leads trash. So make sure you uncheck them. Moving down to locations. Location options. You want to make sure that we choose presence, people in or regularly in your included locations. The default will show your ads to people who could potentially be outside of your target locations. That's why you want to choose this one. Okay. Next, we're going to choose our location or locations. Add as many as you want, right? For me, I'm entire United States for Keywordme, but let's say you're a local guy, right? Just do Philadelphia. You would choose Philadelphia. It'll pull up a list here. You choose the city or the DMA, whichever you want, hit include, right? And that's how you're going to add your locations. Add as many as you want. Scrolling down, language, put your language here. For me, it's English. Audience segments is a drop down here. You want to make sure you're not doing anything with this, okay? So no audience segments. And then there's more settings, but we're not going to worry about that for now, but I'll click it just so you guys can see it. So it's ad rotation. You just want to leave it how it is. Prefer best performing ads. Start and end dates, leave it. Ad schedule, we're definitely going to set that up, but we can do that later. And campaign URL, page feeds. You know what? Maybe we should do the ad schedule now, actually, while we're here. It's going to do it military time. We'll do it after. All right, set that up after. All right, so then we're all done here. We're going to hit next. Now, this is Google's new AI Max for search campaigns. I highly recommend you do not use this unless you're an advanced Google Ads user. I will be making another course on how to use this, but right now it's not a good thing to use. So make sure it's checked off. You don't want that on. Then you hit next. And keyword and asset generation, you can hit skip. We'll do that manually ourselves. I'm going to pull this up here. Make sure we got everything set. So it's going to pull keywords suggested based on my URL. That's fine because we're going to go edit all this stuff anyway. It doesn't really matter. And then you're going to create your ad, your first ad. Now, you can use Gemini over here, Google's AI, to help you with headlines and stuff like that. It's going to pre-populate for you. You want to, just to get through the setup of the initial campaign, it's fine to just let it populate for you, and then we can go in. We're going to have to go in and edit these anyway later. So you want to make sure that you have at least 2 descriptions and a couple headlines for it just to go forward. Make sure the URL is set, which it looks like it's not. Hold on, let me go to Keywordme. Grab the whole thing. There we go. Cool. All right, so then we're going to let it just do that. That's fine. Scroll down, skip all this stuff, or hit next. It's going to give you a suggested budget. that's where you're going to enter your budget. For me right now, because I'm building this campaign, I'm just going to do $5, hit next. And it's going to do its thing, check for errors. Looks good. Publish campaign. And Google's doing its thing. Come on. Publish, load. Perfect. All right, next. All right, we're going to go into campaigns. We're going to pause the campaign because we don't want it running while we're working on it. Okay? So to make sure it remains seen, we're going to click Add Groups and Add Group Status All. Okay? If you choose Enabled and we pause the campaign, you're not going to see the campaign. And then you're going to be like, where the hell did the campaign go? What's going on? And it's going to be really confusing. So I thought I would throw this one in there because people get confused. Make sure this is selected as all so you can still see the paused campaign. And that concludes step 2, getting the campaign live. Now the fun stuff starts. We get to go in and tune it all up and make it awesome.